In this video, we will implement a collectible system for the player. The collectible system is very common in the game. The main feature of this system is to player run into coin or item and pick it up. To set up this system, we will use a simple interface and event. To implement the collectible system, we will use three scripts. First, iCollectible, collector, and the item you will pick up. In my case, that is bone. iCollectible is an interface. Collector check whether players collide with the pickup item or not. Bone is inherited from iCollectible. Inside the iCollectible script, I have created an interface class using keyword interface and create a function named collect which does not have a body. In Bone script, it is inherited from iCollectible. I have a static event action named onBoneCollected. This event will be invoked when the collect function is called. Inside the collector script, in the onTriggerInter function, get iCollectible component and store it in a collectible. And if collectible is not null, then call collectible.collect function. Collector script is added in player and bone script is added in bone game object. To show the count of the bone you have collected, I created a text UI element inside the canvas and added the script called textCount in a text UI. In textCount script, we have two variables, int and textMaxPro. In start function, get textMaxPro component. In enable, I subscribe the onBone collected to add bone count function. And in disable, I unsubscribe the onBone collected from add bone count function. In add bone count function, increment count and then store the count in the text UI. Now you can see that the player can collect the bone and the count of the bone is shown in the UI. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.